for a checkup.
We're in our traveling cage. The cage that we use to go to the doctor. Seatbelts in. The seatbelts in. What are you doing, monkey? Dun, 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 dun. I'm gonna tickle you. I'm gonna tickle. Let me out. Let me out. Let me out. Let me out. I got you. You're such a cuddle bugger. Oh. Girl. It's my good girl. Tell all your fans. Well, we're all done. Now it's time to take them to the store to get them a treat because they were good girls and they got a clean bill of health. Thanks, Doc, for all your help and support.